5 Amazon products I use to organize my pantry. First are the iconic cereal dispensers. You know you've seen them here on TikTok. They went viral and for good reason. They remind me of a continental breakfast. They come in so handy and they take about 1.5 bags of cereal to fill. Everyone, and I mean everyone, needs a Lazy Susan turntable in their pantry. I love that you can spin it around and find what you need easily. I love the fluted design of these ones. They come in a pack of 2 and they're gorgeous. Another favorite of mine is this clear container with dividers. This is great for protein bars. I love organizing the Z bars in this, which is perfect for my daughter because she can see them easily, grab and go. They also come in a pack of 2 for 24 bucks. I organized our dry food in these gorgeous baskets from Target, but I'll link a few similar. I got the labels and the label holders also from Amazon. They slip right over the basket. People can tell exactly what's inside of them. There's no guessing, and I think it looks very aesthetically pleasing. Let me know if you guys want to see a part 2.